Spandan is making 12 by the finger. Very good. Acha, okay. Rahat and Spandan both are correct. It is 12 months. Write it in the book, everybody. Next. Ankush and Shogato. February comes before which month? Before. कौन से मंथ के पहले फेब्रुआरी आते हैं? नो राहत, यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू से नो राहत. नो, कीप क्वाइट. शौगतो, कौन से मंथ के पहले फेब्रुआरी आते हैं? Which month? Before which month? No, Spandan, keep quiet. I am not asking you. Ankush, Ankush, say beta. Farhan Akhtar. No need to unmute, beta. I can read the lip. Just say I can understand. Farhan, say. Those who are unable, Shamriddha, say. Before which month? Shadik Farhan, say. March. Good. So write this one. Okay. Now the third one. Achha, now Orkopriya. Third one. February has 29 days in a dash year, in a normal year or leap year. Jinia? Achha, Jinia and Orkopriya, both are correct. Leap year. Good. L-E-A-P. Next. October has how many days? This one Alia and Shamriddha will say. Alia, October month has, Alia, just fold your fingers. And I have explained that process now. Count and say, take. Yes, January. Start from January. The upper one and lower one. Shamriddha, very good. Very good. No, Alia, not in this way. You forgot the rule, Alia. 31 days, yes. Shamriddha, it is correct. Alia, I will say, I'll suggest you to see the video again, huh? On Friday's video. Achha, 31 days. Next, Rahat, good. Achha, next. Shakibuddin and Zubair. Shakibuddin and Zubair. 1 hour is equal to how many minutes? Shakibuddin. 61 minutes. Shakibuddin. 60 minutes. Achha, Zubair. Is the answer correct? Very good. Next question. Patrin Ektas and Ayman Karan. Patrin Ektas and Ayman Karan. Patrin, sit properly. The next question. July has how many days? Count, yes, good. Achha, yes, Patrin Ektas, very good. Very good, Ayman Karan. 31. So that finger folder process is very interesting, na, Ayman? Even you don't need to see at the book, look at the book, na? Achha, okay. Next one, Fatiha Sultana and Almasuddin. Next, Fatiha Sultana, Almasuddin. December has how many days? Fatiha and Almasuddin, say. Almasuddin, I have got your answer. Very good. Fatia say 30 or 31. No, Fatia, 31, huh? It will be 31. Now Atrey and Aisha. Aisha and Atrey, number 8. Dash dash make 1 year. Atrey, how many days make 1 year? 365. Very good. Aisha, look at this. Acha, usual in case of number 8, for a leap year it is 366 days. But which answer will write? For always, if it is asking for 1 year, don't write this one. For a normal year 365, to always write this answer, huh? Got it, to beta? Okay. If you write in this way by putting slash, then that will also be correct. Okay, marks will be given. That will be much better. But in case of asking for a year, consider it as a normal year. Okay. Achha, next, Afroz and Spondon. Achha, Spondon already told the answer. Right? Orindam and Afroz Ali. Orindam, number 9th one. Let me write this one first. Wait. Afroz, June has how many days? Afroz, Orindam, count and say. June has how many days? Tell me. Afroz, tell me. Show me your copy properly, beta. Keep the copy a little bit closer to the camera. 30. Very good, Orindam. 30. Done. Number 10th one. 8th month of the year is. Jennifer, keep your camera on and say. Jennifer and Aryan Ahmed. No. Spondon, no need to say. Achha, Jennifer. All the other students write it in your copy, huh? Ankush, Shaugato, are you able to answer? Ankush, 8th month. Say. Ankush, they start to count from January. Which one will be number 8? Ankush, don't turn off your camera, huh? I'll remove you. Keep your camera on, Ankush. Don't try to be over smart. Ma'am is asking a question, that means we'll turn off our camera, no? Ankush, look, start to count from January. Say January, February, March. Count it in your finger. January, February, March, April. Count. January, February, March, April. May, June, July, August. So in number 8, August is coming, na? Yes, to Ankush. So it will be August. Understood, beta? Good. Very good. Fatia, tell me the 11th one. Dash is the 4th month of the year. 4th. In number 4. Count January, February in this way and say which one is number 4. Yes. Which one? 4, which one? April. Very good. Now number 12. January, August and October has how many days? January, August and October have how many days? Aisha, Srijita, say beta. January, August, and October. Show it properly. Srijita. You are telling 30 or 30? Ah, very good. Alia, January, August, and October has how many days? 31. Okay. Very good. All of you completed up to this? All the students? Okay. Farhan Akhtar, Shaugato, Ayman, Otrin Akhtar's completed. Shadik Farhan, Jubair. Jubair, what are you doing? Acha, Jinia or Kopriya, I have asked you though. You have given answer? Okay. Who is left? Shamridho, you have given answer? Yes. Okay. Acha, now the next one again I will ask. Okay, let me move for the next page. Page number 121. First one. One by one, huh? First one, Orkopriya. How many days are there in the month of November? November. All the other students start to count. Yes, Orkopriya, say again. Very good. Everybody write 30 days. Yes, 30 days are there, okay? Shamridho. The second one, which one is the fourth month? May. April. Good. April. Shadik Farhan and Rahab. Shakibuddin, keep your camera on. Almasuddin. The third one, how many days are there in a leap year? In a leap year, how many days are there? Say 365 or 366? Very good. Then Afroz, how many days are there in a week? One week means show it by using your 7. Huh? Very good. Very good. Write it. I'm writing number 4th answer here, huh? Now 5th one. But after finished our number, Farhan Akhtar, Otrin Akhtar. Say 5th one. Which day comes after Thursday? Thursday after Thursday. No, not Wednesday. After Thursday, Thursday के बाद. आलिया कौन सा डे? Spondon? Atreyi? Which day? Very good. Okay, now the next one, number 6th one. In which month the Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated? This one is very important, huh? And conceptual also. Look, do you know on which date Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated? Jinia, Ariana Hemant, Ankush, Jennifer, Orindom. On 2nd October, yes. 2nd October, Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated. Now, the question is, in which month Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated? That means in the month of definitely October. So, the answer of 6th one is in the month of October. Sorry, just write the answer. Just let me drink water for 1 minute. Write the answer, huh? I can see each and every one. Autrin, where are you? Zubair, sit properly. Shaugato, Ayman Karan. Tell me the next one. How many days are there in the month of May? The 7th one, May. Count by folding your palm. Say. Spandon. Srijita. Good. Spandon. Ayman Karan, good. Spandon, are you able to answer? Have you forgot the rule? It will be 31. Which is the last day of the week? Last day of the week? Good. This one, Spondo. What have you told? Saturday. You told this one, Acha. Autrinectas, you are not there. I will not give you attendance, huh? Atrai, Afroz, Jinia or Kopriya understood to beta. So now let me ask that how to count which month is of 30 days and 31. That rule you forgot by folding your hand. That rule. No to Alia. Spandon, you forget. Alia. No, acha. Okay, now look at this. Write the time, okay? This one, 2 o'clock. This and this one is your homework. This 3. Let me do the other. Acha, this one is given, look. It is, hour hand is at 6, minute hand is at 4. That means it will be 6:20 now. Already done this type of thing. Now the third one. The hour hand is in between 9 and 10. And minute hand is at 8. So it will be 9:40. 8 means written. This one already I explained yesterday. Yes or no? So again I have to explain, Rahat. Again, acha, okay. Look at this. For this one, huh? The hour hand is at in between 9 and 10 too. I told you always the first one will get priority, yes too, because it has just crossed 9. So 9 hour hand. Now from 12 we will start to count. 1 plus 5 minutes, another 5 minutes, 5, another 5 minutes, another 5 minutes. Yes or no? So total we have to add them. Ultimately we will get 40 minutes. Yes or no? 1 5 I have written extra. Yes, to Rahat, now understood. 9:40. Okay, now let me do the next one. This one, look at this. Hour end is at 1. So it will be 1. Minute end is at 4. So 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minutes. 4 times 5 minutes. That means 20. So it will be 120. Got it? Shamriddho? Okay. Now I am doing the next one. So you have to draw the hands. 8:30. For this one, we will draw the hour hand. And as it is 30, already crossed half path. So it will move a little bit. So it will be in between 8 and 9. Draw this one first. Done. Now I am doing the next one. Shamriddho, sit properly. Shamriddho completed. Farhan Akhtar, Ayman, Ankush, Jennifer. Now do the next one. 5:15. Yes, to. Draw this one first. Orko Priya, where are you going, beta? Now let me move for the next one. Acha, your homework. Write down the homework. And also this one and this one. Huh? Up to this worksheet. Before worksheet. Tomorrow I'll complete the worksheet. Okay, tomorrow first I'll start computer. Then in the last 10 minutes I'll complete the worksheet. Okay. Then your totally math syllabus will be completed. Now this 3 and this 2 is your homework. You can write easily. Second month, just you will have to write February, 5th month, 6th month in this way, okay? Okay, now let me